I am Dr. Pratap Duggirala, Professor of Plastic Surgery from Vijaywada, Andhra Pradesh. I have come here to learn the finer aspects of hair transplantation. I was recommended by about Dr. Ashutosh Shah from senior colleagues of plastic surgery, and I have been very happy that I have come here, and I have been given hands-on work experience, and I was happy that I chose this place over other places. There was some additional teachings like GST, class on GST for cosmetic surgeons and plastic surgeons by Chartered Accountant Neeraj and his school, A2K school. I recommend this course for all beginner plastic surgeons so that they can have a 360 degrees opinion about the whole process of hair transplantation, hair wigs, hair powder, etc.